everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing some stuff because we made the top 20 of the NYX FACE Awards. So I got 2 more boxes from NYX for making the top 20. They sent me both of these and I'm just going to unbox them with you guys because why not? These ones are really cool because it actually has everybody who made the top 30, has everyone's faces here, and I am right there. That's me. A closer look. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox everything. I did open this one yesterday. I just wanted to see the little piece of paper that came in it. So I did open it, but I didn't really look at anything inside. So there's this little card with all of our faces on it as well, and it says, "We hope you enjoy these goodies brought to you by NYX Professional Makeup and our amazing sponsors." And it's the same sponsors as the top 30 boxes. So we've got this Clarisonic box. Ooh! Congratulations on making the top 20. And so it's just some more brush heads. Some more brush heads and a cleanser, it looks like. So that's really cool. They done hooked it up. And then congratulations on top 20 from Kitsch. And they sent a shower cap. Ooh, and an elevated hair towel. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and I'm sorry guys, I ain't wearing any makeup. I woke up this morning and I was like, you know what? I don't care. I'm not wearing any makeup and I'm unboxing these boxes because I was excited. Next one is from Target and it says, "In honor of earning a spot in the 2018 FACE Awards Top 20, please enjoy this gift from your sponsor, Target. Amaze Balls." These are bath bombs. That's really cute. An exfoliating body sponge. Ooh, and a seaweed hydrating bath. Looks like they're like crystals or bath salts. Very cool. This one is from Vichy Laboratories. Some more skincare, I'm assuming. Oh, it's all the same stuff that we got the first time, it looks like. Which, I mean, I can use some more face wipes, so cool. Oh, and then a bag from Audio Network. And Audio Network is the website we use for the music in our videos, so that's pretty cool. And it has my name on it, Sydney, because Sydney, Australia. Oh, there's like one more. It's from Redken. And they gave us a super strong sculpting gel, an all-over body builder, and a thermal holding spray. Cool. That's it for the sponsor box. So now we're gonna open this big old box full of NYX stuff. Congratulations, your outstanding creativity and artistry earned you a spot in the 7th annual in the 7th annual FACE Awards Top 20. We can't wait to see what you create in the second challenge. So the first box is Specialty. My handy dandy knife. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. So this box has a few more of the SFX cream colors, and then it also has some of the Vivid Bright cream colors, which is really exciting. Those are really fun colors. And then we have the Primal colors, the shadows. Oh my god, I'm so happy we got these. I was hoping for these in the last box. And now we have them. These are intense colors. I'm really excited about those. Next box. have lips. So we got some soft matte metallic lip creams, it looks like. And some duochrome lip glosses. Some more liquid suedes in a few different colors. We got a bunch more lip liners. Ooh, some Cosmic Metal. And then some Strictly Vinyl lip glosses as well. Then we got Face. All the face stuff. The box last time for the face ones it was huge because it had every color of the Total Control drops. So it was big. This one's not as big. We got glitters and pigments. So glitter and pigments. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I love NYX glitters. I never used their pigments before, but their glitters, girl. Ooh. Very exciting. And we got a spray primer. And we got the Love You So Mochi highlighting palettes. Some Born to Glow highlighters. We've got the Honey Do Me Up. And then we got foundation mixers. And liquid boosters to put in foundations. Cool. Next we have tools. This is a big box. We got some more disposable sponges, some more brushes, more face wipes, some more like blending sponges. This is like a little bag to put brushes in and stuff like that. And the last one, and the heaviest, is eyes. Oh my gosh. More glitters and shimmer down pigments. Ooh, lash glue. Mascara. We got glazed and confused eye glosses. Cool. We got a bunch of eyeliners. We got some more of the jumbo eye pencils, which I am obsessed with these. We got pigment primer, glitter primer, holographic cream eyeliner, and a bunch of lashes. Yes, ma'am. So many. 9 pairs of lashes. 9. And we got the Perfect Filter eyeshadow palettes. And the Smoky Fume palette. And some Strictly Vinyl eyeliners as well. Lots of goodies. So that's it. That's everything. I just unboxed all of it. So the next challenge is announced on June 4th, so I have no idea what it is yet. We will know on June 4th, and then voting for that challenge starts on June 15th. So if you want to vote for me, just stay updated on my Instagram, my Facebook, and everything. I'll let you guys know. It's the same way we did it for the top, to make it into the top 20. It's the same way we're going to do it to make it into the top 12. Just make sure you vote for me 3 times a day per email every day until the voting ends. And again, voting starts on the 15th. So you guys will all know. I post about it constantly, so you'll all know what's going on when the time comes. Thank you guys so much for voting for me already and getting me into the top 20. I couldn't believe it. I'm so excited, and I'm just excited for the new challenge and to create something fun and new. And thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my top 20 challenge tutorial.